Now we will come to the English lesson, first unit, first A reading. Attitude is altitude. We had already finished 2 paragraphs. So I will again give introduction to you. Here is a man, his name was Nick Vujicic. He was born as Tarso. He was born in Melbourne, Australia, but now he lives in Los Angeles. He had a small foot at the left side of his hip. With that foot only he can do anything. That means he can play football, golf, serve sims, he can write, type, everything. He do it with that little foot only. So, despite of his disableness, he was a capable person in doing all the things. His fate did not stop, his disability did not stop his development. So, come to the third paragraph. I will read for you. I already told you you have to read the lesson at least 2 or 3 paragraphs at your home. Try to understand it. Then it will be very easy for you to follow me. Come. Nick has a small foot on his left hip which helps him balance and enables him to kick. He uses his one foot to type, write, and with a pen and pick up things between the toes. See, we already discussed about it. He used everything is his life depend upon that little foot. He will do all the things, life activities, and also games, sports with that only. So, his one foot to type. One foot means what? That Nick's little foot which was at the left side of his hip. Next, how he can write? He can write with that little foot only. How he can pick the things up? With the help of that foot only. So, how he can play? With the help of little foot only, he can play golf, swims, surfs, etc. etc. So, he did not felt bad about his disability. At first he felt bad. That is we are going to learn in these paragraphs. See. Now come to the paragraph. I call it my chicken drumstick, joked Nick. What did he call his small foot? Chicken drumstick. Children, do you like to eat chicken? Yes. In the chicken, if you mix the drumstick pieces, when we cook the chicken with drumstick pieces, the drumstick piece juice is very, very tasty. It is essence to the curry. So, like that only, Nick's food gave him essence to his life, value to his life. So, he simply joked on his little foot as a chicken drumstick. Do you follow me? Okay. Joke Nick. Now come on, tell me, what did the Nick joke? He joked his little foot as a chicken drumstick. With what he compared his little foot? Chicken drumstick piece. Okay. Who was born in Melbourne, Australia, but now lives in Los Angeles. I had to be lost without it. This is most important. I had to be. I refers to who? Nick. What he lost? His valuable life. He became a most important person in the world. He was a good inspirer. How he became like that? With the help of that little food. That little food changes his whole life in a positive attitude. Okay. Lost without it. Lost means his career. Nick's career as a player, as an inspirer. Next. Without it. It refers to what? Limb. That's the little foot. This is referred as bit in the paragraph. Okay, now come to the fourth paragraph. Fifth, water sports aren't Nick's only thing. He also plays golf with a club tucked under his chin and is a huge fan of the English Premier League. Water sports aren't Nick's only thing. Where did he play? Usually in water. So these sports are not only these sports, he also liked golf. How did he play? He tucked the club under his with the club tucked under his chin. He plays. So, to which he was fan? English Premier League. He was fan of the Indians English Premier League. Now, so read the sixth paragraph. His parents decided not to send him to a special school, a decision he said was very hard for him, but which may have been the best decision they could have made for him. His parents refers to whose parents? Nick's parents. What did the Nick's parents decide? To send him to the mainstream school. What is the meaning of the mainstream school? School like you, able people study. Next. Now, where did they did not want to join him? In a special school. Special school means what? School for disabled. Why? Why they did not want to join him in that? They may worry. They worried the child may feel too much depression. So they did not want to join him in the special school. What decision was hard to Nick? Joining in the mainstream school decision was hard. How was the decision of his parents to Nick? Hard. But did his parents' decision become nice? Good? Yes. Yes, the decision, best decision they could have made for him. So, they refers to whom? Nick's parents. What did the Nick parents made? Decide him to join in the mainstream school. So, Nick's parents did not want their son feel bad in the disabled school. They worried about the depression of their child, so they wanted to join him in the mainstream school. Although they know other children may bully him, but they wanted to give him courage to bear such type of insults. This is the paragraph, fourth paragraph, sixth paragraph. Next, coming to the seventh paragraph. When Nick was born, his teacher was so shocked that he left the hospital room to vomit. This distraught mother couldn't bring herself to hold him until he was 4 months old. See, children, what about his parents' feelings? See, what did the Nick father do when he saw his newly born baby? He was shocked and left the hospital room. Why did he left the hospital room? To vomit. Why did he vomit? Seeing that baby as a tot, so he was shocked and got irritation. How was his mother? Distract. Distract means నిర్కాంతపోవటం. షాక్, దుఃఖముతో కూడిన షాక్లో మునిగిపోవటాన్ని డిస్ట్రాక్ట్, అంతులేని ఆశానిపాతం చెందిందా. So the distract mother couldn't bring herself to hold him. If it is not possible to take the child to the lab because he has no arms and limbs. Usually when we want to take the babies into our lab, we will hold limbs. But this child has no limbs. So it's not easy to take him to the lab. So it had taken 4 months to her mother to to take him to her lap. ఏంటంటే అమ్మా నిక్స్ వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ నిక్ని అంగవైకల్యం కలిగిన వికలాంగుల బడిలో చేర్చాలి అనుకోలేదు. ఎందుకంటే అక్కడ చేరిస్తే పిల్లవాడు ఇంకా డిసప్పాయింట్ అవుతాడు, ఇంకా డిస్ట్రెస్ అవుతాడు, అప్పుడు ఇంకా బాధపడాల్సి వస్తుంది. పర్వాలేదు, అందరి పిల్లలు మామూలు పిల్లలు చదువుకునే బడిలో చేరుద్దాం. కొన్ని ఇబ్బందులు వస్తాయి పిల్లవాడికి, పిల్లలు ఎగతాళి చేస్తారు, ఇబ్బంది పెడతారు. అయినప్పటికీ కూడా మన సహకారంతో ఆ బిడ్డను బాగా తీర్చిదిద్దాలి, ఉత్సాహవంతుడు చేయాలి అన్న ఉద్దేశంతో వాళ్ళు ఆ అబ్బాయిని మామూలు బడికి పంపాలనుకున్నారు. ఇది ఆ అబ్బాయికి చాలా కష్టమైన పని. ఎందుకంటే నిత్యం అవమానాలు, వింత చూపులు తట్టుకోవడం చాలా కష్టం. అలవాటు పడాలి అని పేరెంట్స్ నిర్ణయం అయి ఉంటుంది. సో ఇక్కడ ఆ అబ్బాయికి ఆ విషయం చాలా కష్టం, మామూలు బడికి వెళ్ళడానికి. కానీ కష్టమైనప్పటికి కూడా ఆ తల్లిదండ్రులు తీసుకునే నిర్ణయం చాలా గొప్పదిగా మారింది అతని జీవితంలో. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద బెటర్ చాయిస్ టు హిమ్. తర్వాత మరి నిక్ పేరెంట్స్ ఎలా ఫీల్ అయ్యారు? ఫస్ట్లో అలాంటి బేబీని చూసి ఎలా ఫీల్ అయ్యారు అంటే, వాళ్ళ నాన్న ఆత్రుగా పరిగెత్తుకొచ్చాడు హాస్పిటల్కి. బేబీని చూడగానే కడుపులో వికారం అనిపించి, షాక్ లాగా అనిపించి, పరిగెత్తుకుంటూ హాస్పిటల్ నుంచి బయటకు వచ్చి వొమిట్ చేసుకుంటాడు. అంత తీవ్రమైన షాక్ అనిపించాడు తండ్రి. తల్లి అసలు ఏం చేయాలో పోలుబోని పరిస్థితుల్లో దిగ్భ్రాంతురాలై అలాగే ఉండిపోయింది. అసలు ఆమెను స్వాంతనపరచాలన్న వీలు కాని పరిస్థితి. ఆ బిడ్డను చూసి ఆమె గుండె బద్దలైంది. కానీ ఆ బిడ్డను దగ్గరకు తీసుకోలేని పరిస్థితి కూడా ఆమెకి ప్రేమతో. ఎందుకంటే మామూలు పిల్లల్ని తీసుకోవడమే, చిన్నపిల్లల్ని చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా తీసుకుంటాం కాళ్ళు చేతులు పట్టుకుని. మరి ఇటువంటి బిడ్డని ఎలా ఎత్తుకోవాలో కూడా తెలియని పరిస్థితి ఆ తల్లిది. నెమ్మదిగా తన ఒడిలో తీసుకుని అలవాటు చేసుకోవడానికి ఆమెకి ఎంతకాలం పట్టింది? 4 నెలలు పట్టింది. చూడండి ఎంతటి బాధాకరమైన పరిస్థితి ఆ తల్లిదండ్రులది. మరి ఆ తర్వాత ఏం చేశారు ఆ బిడ్డ కోసం ఆ తల్లిదండ్రులు? వి విల్ రీడ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ పారాగ్రాఫ్. His disability came without any medical explanation. A rare occurrence. Hukumilia and Nick and his parents spent many years asking why this cruel thing happened to them. My mother was a nurse and she did everything right during pregnancy. During pregnancy, she still blamed herself. His disability came without any medical explanation. Is there any medical explanation about his disability? No. So, what was the disability? Born as a torso. Normally, we didn't find any torso people in the world because rare. They born very rare. That rare thing happened to these poor parents. What was that disease called as? Phocomelia. Born without limbs is a disease called as Phocomelia. It comes 1000 ఒక్కరికి అలా వచ్చే జబ్బమ్మది. They always, Nick's parents spent many years speaking why this cruel thing happened to them. See, what did the Nick parents ask themselves? Why this cruel thing happened to them? What was that cruel thing? Giving birth to a torso child. They felt very bad so many years why this happened to them. My mother was a nurse. My refers to whom? Here Nick was telling his life history. That's why he was telling as a first person. My refers to whom? Nick. My mother was a nurse and she did everything right during pregnancy. Usually when the woman is pregnant, she will take so many precautions for the healthy baby. Like that, Nick's mother also took so many precautions, but Nick was born as a torso. So she blamed herself some mistakes she made it during the pregnancy. Who said these words? Nick. To whom he was saying? To the readers. To the readers.